Hello, so today we are going to make a rack of lamb with honey, hazelnut crust. We're going to start out by putting 1 cup of hazelnuts that I ground up into this bowl right here. Next, I'm going to put 1 cup of Italian-style breadcrumbs into the bowl. And just so you know, I got this recipe off of the What Would You Eat cookbook. I decided to make a little bit of changes to the recipe though. Next, we're going to put 3 tablespoons of rosemary leaves into the bowl. There's 1 tablespoon. There's the 2nd tablespoon. And this is the last tablespoon. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. Make sure you mix it together very well. Now we're going to get 3 tablespoons of organic yellow mustard and put that on the side. There's 1 tablespoon. There's the 2nd tablespoon. There's my last tablespoon. Now I'm opening up my rack of lamb, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it on this pan here. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my gloves to put the mustard on here. Make sure you get the tops and the bottom. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and put some salt and pepper on it. Now that I put the salt and pepper on there, I'm going to go ahead and put this mixture on top. You're going to need to season both sides of it. Notice that I flipped it back over because we're going to need it on this side when we go to cook it. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of honey on top of the lamb. This is I'm going to turn the honey around so you can see. That's the brand that I use for the honey. Give me a minute. And we're only just going to put it on the one side. I'm going to go ahead and smooth it out. That was the best I could do as far as smoothing the honey out. Now I'm going to put this in the oven at 425 for 25 minutes. Right now it's just preheating, then I'll go ahead and put it in there and just leave it in. And just put the lamb in the oven, now we just wait. Now that's done, I'm going to go ahead and temp it just to make sure it is good to go. Okay, so it's a little over 160, which is right where you want it at. And that is how you cook a lamb. Oh, happy Easter, you guys. Since I made too much of the seasoning, if you're only going to do 1 rack of lamb like I did next time, I would recommend you just do half a cup of the hazelnut, half a cup of the breadcrumbs, and then just 1 tablespoon of the rosemary. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. See you guys next time.